Hey guys, welcome back to another session. So we're talking about ChatGPTs and how to use it. This is one of the OpenAI based artificial intelligence based software, and that is really powerful. And this is really hot topic in the market. And we're having exposure to a couple of examples. In the last example, we tried two scenarios, and here I'll give you a couple more examples to better understand how to use ChatGPTs. So let me pick the first example. Here, what I'm trying to do is I'm writing a whole book on nature conservation. And our expectation is it writes a full book on nature conservation. The outcome it gives guidelines on how to write it. Because, let me show you why. Okay, this is my query. See what it does. It is saying, I'm sorry, but it's not possible for me to write a whole book on nature conservation in a single response. However, I can provide some general information and tips on the topics. So those people who are super excited that they can do anything with the ChatGPTs at this point, you guys need to watch this video. That this is not something you're definitely expecting. It's not going to write a whole books for you. It's not going to write a whole research paper for you, or it's not going to publish any papers for you or do the whole research for you. Rather, it's interactive tools which can answer your questions, and that should be of short nature. See, it can give you the guidelines. You can ask some explanation on those guidelines, like protecting biodiversity. Let me say, explain protecting biodiversity. It can give you explanation, but it does not write the whole books. So that means it is one of the interactive tools, but still there are a lot of limitations that you need to understand. And this is not the replacement for the people who are authors, writers, researchers, and the developers. So it can take a lot of time. So let me pick another example at the same time. Let me go back. Okay, here, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to ask it to open salesforce.com login page for me. Our expectation is it takes us to the HTTPS login.salesforce.com, and the outcome it gives you just a hint. It does not open up the Salesforce login page. It already answered. Let's copy and paste it and see. I'm sorry, but I'm an artificial intelligence and do not have the ability to open the website. So one of the weaknesses is it does not open up any internet resources like this. So it can give you the hints, but it does not take you to the page that you're expecting. Let me try another example, what it does. Okay. Writing web services. Write a web service in Salesforce to provide all account records on request. It is giving you navigation, all the navigations from where you can reach, set up to platform tools, Apex classes, and reaching to the developer console. See now what it does is, it gives you every explanation. It gives you all the methods that you need to write. It gives the whole class here, like at notation, at the rate annotation, see, REST resource URL mapping is equals to accounts. And the global class is my account web services, and that pulls select ID, name, industry from account. That was something we're expecting, right? So it is exactly helping the developers, but it is not replacing the developers or any sort of author or critics. Still, there should be a human being who needs to analyze what is happening, what is the need, and based on the needs, they need to put things together and make a use of it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next episode.